My name is Krutanya Kavita Deepak Jagtap. I am in the 7th standard. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School Sateford. Today I present spelling bee activity. ALREADY. Already means आधीच. ARRANG arrange means व्यवस्था करणे. ARTIST artist means कलाकार. BAKERY bakery means bakery. BEACON beacon means दीपस्तंभ. BORDER border means सीमा. CAPITAL capital means राजधानी. CANDLE candle means मेणबत्ती. CRASHED crashed means कोसळणे. DANGER danger means धोका. DANCER dancer means नर्तक. DRAWING drawing means चित्र. EFFORTS efforts means प्रयत्न. ENERGY energy means ऊर्जा. ELASTIC elastic means लवचिक. FARMER farmer means शेतकरी. FLYING flying means उडणारा. FEELING feeling means भावना किंवा जाण. GLOWING glowing means चमकणारा. GROWTH growth means वाढ. थँक यू.